dark, a monster stirred and fed upon her kindness. A blue-tinned vase and horseshoes and flowers in her hair. She closed her eyes and held her breath and wished for it to care. But all her blood was running cold, and she could only run and push it he who loved until they both were done. And then this beast did something odd, this sucker out of life, this parasite fell to its knees, presenting her a knife. I have hurt you far too much, and you are all too young. I only wanted someone else to put warmth in my lungs. She knelt before this fearsome creature, cradled face with hand. She gently took the knife from him and placed it in the sand. You are no one to blame for all this dark and fury. I made you thus, and here you are in all your cruelest glory. She looked at him